How to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 stuck on the loading screen. 1. Verify game files integrity in Steam. And for Epic Games user, 2. Turn off the VSYNC. Change the VSYNC value from 1 to 0 in the Dead Redemption 2 system file at Documents Rockstar Games Red Dead Redemption 2 settings. 3. Disable antivirus software temporarily. 4. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Reset all the game settings. 5.1. Backup then delete setting.xml in Documents Rockstar Games Red Dead Redemption. 5.2 Launch the delete local profile section in Rockstar Game Launcher settings account information. 6. Troubleshoot in Clean Boot.